how to see which devices are connected to your Wi-Fi. So I'll be showing you this on a mobile, but this will also work on a computer as well. Now, the first thing you need to do is load up the settings on your phone and then go and click on Wi-Fi. You could then click on the information button next to your Wi-Fi connection. And then if you scroll down, you'll see this router address right at the bottom. So my number is 192.168.0.1. Your number here may be slightly different to mine. So once you've made a note of this number, you can close out of this window and then you can load up an internet browser. Now in the address bar, you need to go and type in the number that we just made a note of, and then you can press enter. Now if you get this message here, you can always click on show details and you can just press the visit this website button. Now once you're on this website, it should take you over to the login page of your Wi-Fi. Now you'll need to go and enter your Wi-Fi username and password, and just bear in mind that this is different from the Wi-Fi password that you use to connect to the internet. So if you're not sure what this password is, then you can find this on the back of your router and then you can just go and enter your password. Now once you're logged into your router, it should look something similar to this, and you can see on my router, we can see straight away all of the different connected devices to the router. Now your homepage may look slightly different to this depending on your router settings, but you can usually click on something like connected devices from the left hand side, and this will show you a list of all of your different devices. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.